Okay, I'm going to show you a simple and cheap way to put in outlets when you're doing your D-log siding in your family room or whatever you want to do. You can buy the blocks. They're like $10 a piece, up to $20 a piece. The chainsaw method. There's so many different things, but this is the simplest, cheapest I found. Just 1x6 pine. I'm using a 5-inch D-log, so it comes out to about 5.5 with the tongue and everything. But that's the measurement I have on mine. That's what works for me, depending on your D-log. So that's 4 inches wide, 5 3/8. One of these cheap remodel boxes with the little ears on it from Home Depot or Lowe's, whoever. They're cheap. Trace that out on that block after you cut that to that measurement. Trace that onto your block. Then cut it out. You'll end up with this. Stick your remodel box inside there. And tighten up the box. Okay, now I have the block secured, or the box secured in the block. I'm just going to make sure I'm tight against this stud to the side of the outlet box. Come down, sitting flush, mark both sides. Now I'm going to cut this little tongue off so this will sit flush. Nope, sorry about that, I just kicked that. That figures we've got a knot right there. Okay. Now I'll feed my wires through. Oh, the struggles of life. There we go. Looks good. Now I'm going to put a little wee bit of glue, just because I'm like that. I don't know. I'm sure you don't have to, but I'm going to pin it with my finish nailer also. Okay. Then take a scrap piece of pine I had left laying, and I'm just going to stick it, nail it to this log, and use it as a backer on this one, just like so. And put some glue on this too, and then nail it in place. Okay. Voila! Now you can cut your log out, and I'll show you that next. Okay, there's one finished. I beveled these at a 22.5 degree, and you just need a little notch here. Can't get away from that, but that's a simple way to do it, and cheap. Hope it helps you out.